Hi, this video is to talk about Executive MBA program. So this is a 1-year MBA program which is there for people with experience. If you have some experience, then you can do this particular course. And years of experience will depend on college to college. Most colleges require 5+ years experience, but some colleges may also accept a 2+ years work experience. Like ISB is there, Great Lakes is there, they require 2 years experience. XLRI may require 3 years work experience. The top IIMs will require 5 years work experience. So yes, it differs. But let's look at it. We have been training students for MBA Entrance Exam, which include GMAT, CAT, and other exams. You can contact us if you are interested. Now, what is Executive MBA? So, EMBA or Executive MBA is basically for people who are experienced. So, you already have 2 years or 5 years experience, or more, and you can do this 1-year MBA. It's very common abroad as well, where people who are working for some time and they require to learn or want to jump in their career, then they can do this 1-year MBA program. So there is a full-time residential program which is there normally, which varies from 12 to 18 months, and there is a non-residential program which you do maybe either like a part-time or maybe this one which is 24 to 36 months. Normally full-time residential program do have placements, and they have decent good placements if you do it from a good college. The non-residential ones normally don't have placement because they are assuming that you're working along with doing an MBA, so technically they don't have placements, right? And most of the colleges for Executive MBA, they accept GMAT scores. XLRI also accepts ZAT scores for Executive MBA and so on. But yes, but most colleges does accept GMAT scores for Executive MBA. So some of the top colleges which are there, IIM Ahmedabad normally requires 5 years experience. IIM Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Bangalore, all these. ISB is supposed to be the best with regards to the 1-year program. A little expensive, but it's supposed to be the best colleges, and it requires just 2 years work ex. But with 2 years work ex, you need an exceptional profile to get into. So normally the people with 4-5 years experience who normally get into ISB. For Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Bangalore, etc., they require 5 years experience. XLR has initially required 5+. They reduce it to 3+ years work experience. So you can apply to XLR even with 3 years, and they do accept ZAT scores apart from the CAT scores. So you have MDI Gurgaon which is there, SPJMR Mumbai which is there, IIM Lucknow. All the top colleges do offer the course for Executive MBA. So if you are really interested, you can go about doing a 1-year MBA. So you already have good work experience, you can go about doing. They have decent placements with regards to their course. The non-residential program, ISB has PGP matches specifically for people with a lot of experience, like 15 years experience, and it is a non-residential program which is there. IIM Bangalore has a PGPEM Enterprise Management course, which is again weekend program which happens. IT Delhi has it. These you can do it if you're only located at that place. Otherwise, no. Bajaj has JBIMS at Mumbai. If I'm a part-time course. So yes, these are all courses which they have, executive or non-residential program. They have means where you study from home online and maybe go for campus for some time. It could be maybe at a stretch for 2 weeks or 1 week, or it could be maybe on weekends as it is, which is possible. So different colleges have it. Most IIM, Code, etc. do have these courses. If you're interested, you can check out the colleges you're interested in and check out the courses that's available out there. I hope this helps with regards to Executive MBA. It's a good option. I mean, better than doing a part-time. It makes you do a full-time Executive MBA, because if you do it from a good college, you can get good placements. Also, it's easier to get into Executive MBA as compared to getting into top MBA colleges to 2 years MBA course. So you can definitely try if you have the work experience that is required. Thank you.